Good evening, I'm here with breaking news as a catastrophic tornado has just struck the bustling metropolis of Bloxburg, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. Reports coming in indicate that the tornado touched down in the heart of the city, causing widespread damage to homes, businesses, and infrastructure. Eyewitnesses describe a scene of chaos and terror as the powerful winds ripped through the streets, tossing vehicles aside like toys and toppling buildings in its path. Emergency services are scrambling to respond to the crisis, with firefighters, police, and medical personnel working tirelessly to search for survivors and provide aid to those in need. The full extent of the damage is still being assessed, but initial reports suggest that numerous neighborhoods have been severely impacted, with homes reduced to rubble and streets littered with debris. Residents are urged to stay indoors and avoid traveling through affected areas as rescue efforts continue. The mayor of Bloxburg has declared a state of emergency, mobilizing all available resources to assist with recovery efforts and provide support to those affected by this disaster. Our thoughts are with the people of Bloxburg during this difficult time, and we will continue to provide updates as more information becomes available. Stay tuned for further developments on this developing situation.